Creating a live EDA processing and review case begins with creating a managing client. This starts with clicking on the hamburger icon inside of any managing client. Now, select the plus sign for Add Managing Client. Here, you can either type in or copy and paste the managing client name. Upon completion, click Save. Now let's find our managing client by going to the search bar in the top left-hand corner of the screen so that we can create a client directly from it. Type in identifying managing client information to locate it. You can also select the name from the drop-down if it appears. On the managing client you just created, click the hamburger icon. From here, select the plus sign to Add Client. At this point, it's time to add the client name. Once again, you can type it in or copy and paste it. Now is the time to browse out to the data directory where we're going to save the data. Note, this must be a UNC path. After creation, copy the path. Now paste it into the data directory field in case management. Now let's copy the client name one more time for future use in creating the rest of the case. We can now make sure that the Launch Create Case on Save button is checked and then click the Save button. We now find ourselves at the case creation screen where we can select the type of case we want. Here, we'll select all three items. First, select Early Data Assessment in order to create a live EDA case. Now, select Processing to create a processing case, which will process and extract data. Lastly, let's select the review case in order to search, tag, and produce documents. Finally, click Create. Now let's enter a code name to manage our case. For the sake of consistency, let's just copy and paste in the client name. At this point, let's enter a matter number. This is your billing number. Once you're done, click Next. Now it's time to select Connectors and Custodians for our live EDA case. Select All in order to select all locations that you wish to collect data from. We have a choice here of selecting all or only certain custodians. Here, select all. Now scroll through to see the custodians chosen. To move on, click Next. We can now set up our processing case options. You can edit the processing case name or leave it as is. Here, leave the app environment as is. To view the advanced options, click the down arrow. This will show you the default processing case and import case templates. These are both in a .ini format. You can leave them as is or import your own. If you're all set, click Next. Now here we have our review case. Once again, you can edit the name if you wish. However, you cannot edit the environment. To look at advanced options, click the down arrow. The review case template will appear. You can choose to leave it or browse out to another. Note, this template is in a CSV format. If all looks good here, click Next. Now you can scroll through to see a summary of your case options. These include live EDA, processing, and review. If you're all set here, click Create Case. In the upper right-hand corner of the case management screen, you'll see a bell icon. If it shows a number, it means it has notifications. Let's take a peek to see what's going on. In this instance, the notification is showing that the case has been created. This concludes the lesson on creating a live EDA, processing, and review case. Stay tuned for more lessons in this course.